Hey everyone, so today's vlog is going to be a little bit different because we're not at a tourist spot or a city exploring. We're just going to be at a campsite, but we thought it would be kind of cool to show you what we get up to if we get to a campsite. This one in particular is great because it has a swimming pool. But yeah, we just got here. It's about 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We emptied our toilet, filled up with fresh water. We're actually going to do a separate video on those things because I think it's quite helpful to show how that all works if you're looking into getting a campervan or a motorhome yourself. Yeah, so it's going to be quite a chilled out afternoon. We've got a spot nearby we're going to tomorrow to explore, but we thought for the rest of the day we're just going to relax, we're just going to swim. How excited for a swim are you?
It's very hot here. It's a nice bit of breeze up on this hill that we're at, so I'm thinking when we get a bit of water on us it's going to cool down the skin really well.
Yeah, because the drive here was very hot. It feels like we're in like Arizona or something. It's real like deserty looking ground. I feel like this is deja vu after just putting up our last Greece vlog from last year. Yeah. And now I'm vlogging you reading a book by the pool again. I think you're wearing the same swimming shorts too.
Greece is lovely.
It is.
It's hot.
It is.
It's lovely.
So we've just had the loveliest swim and now we're at the back of the van and we're going to chill out for about an hour or so, and I think we're going to go have dinner at the restaurant that's here. It looks really nice and we haven't had food in Greece yet. We don't often eat out, but we do like to try eat out at least once in every country we go to so we can try the food there. And yeah, so we're just going to chill out in the van for a bit. We've got about a day or so's worth of dishes because we ran out of water. So Myron's gonna do those. I generally cook and he does the dishes, so they're his to do. Yeah, so now we've got water, we're gonna do dishes. That's often when we get to campsites we're like really low on water and we usually have dishes because we haven't been able to do them. And yeah, we're just gonna chill out, read some books and relax for another hour or so. It's so nice. It really feels like we're on holiday. Like this whole year is a holiday, but it often just feels like life, or you know, traveling can get quite tiring sometimes, but this place really feels like a holiday. It's really nice. We decided not to go to the restaurant for dinner and are just having burritos back at the van. So good. Something went wrong with our charge controller today and our batteries weren't charging. So we are at 3 out of 4 bars and ideally we'd like to stick to 4 at all times. This is our view. Like what? This is amazing. So it's about 9 o'clock at night. Excuse the mess behind me, so I've got dishes drying everywhere. Usually we'd probably watch Netflix for like another 2 hours, but we're both exhausted. Like I feel like I can't even talk properly. We're so tired and I think Myron's getting sick. So I think, I don't know, Myron's definitely gonna go to sleep now. He looks like he's dying.
I sat by the pool too long, I think I got heat stroke.
Yeah, but you've been getting a cold for a few days as well. Yeah. And I might do like an hour or so of work and then we're gonna go to sleep. So we're gonna end this vlog here, but tomorrow we're spending like a whole nother day and night at the campsite, so we're gonna keep showing you life at a campsite tomorrow. Night guys.
I look terrible.
Morning guys, so we're spending today at the campsite again. We're just chilling out. I think I mentioned last night that our batteries hadn't charged when we were driving and we've discovered an error with our charge controller, so that's really annoying. So what was supposed to be a relaxing day at the pool today is probably going to turn into a lot of trying to figure out what's going wrong, but we will make sure to get some pool time in too, because while we're here we may as well. We can sort the batteries at any kind of free spot. Do you want everyone to see how you rest your head? Pardon?
It's good at the end of the day, especially when you get a bit tired and you just want to lie down.
So I've been doing some work this morning, but now it's holiday time. Come down to the pool and I'm gonna lie in the shade for a little bit and have an ice cream, and then I'm gonna have a swim. I'm so excited, the water looks so nice. Today isn't like quite an accurate representation of our time at campsites. Often we just stay for one night, because I think I said earlier we mainly come just to fill out with fresh water and empty wastewater and have showers and stuff. So often we just do that, and then if we have any extra time we're like fixing something on the van or, you know, doing something boring. But because we're in Greece, because this place is beautiful, we are staying 2 nights and we are just relaxing. We're still getting stuff done that we need to get done and taking advantage of being still for a couple of days and having access to showers and water and all of that, but we are spending a lot of time by the pool reading and chilling out, and it is really, really nice. Why is there no one here? Why are we the only ones using the pool?
It's so weird that this is Greece's off season. It's the end of summer, but it's still very hot, beautiful weather. I don't see how their high season isn't continuing.
I don't see how summer's their high season. I feel it would just be like uncomfortably hot.
Yeah, now it's like when you go down into the cities and stuff where there's not a breeze, it's way too hot still.
Yeah. It's only bearable here because there's a really strong breeze because we're on a hill and we're like, we have a pool.
The breeze is kind of only here. We drove for 2 hours and it was way too hot.
Yeah.
And we kind of got here and straight away there's a nice breeze just in this one spot, so it's quite good. We can see the sea as well, so that might cool it down as well here, but
like we're in mountains and by the sea, so I think that helps.
This is the perfect time to come.
Yeah. Even a bit later I reckon would still be fine. Any earlier in the year I think it's just too hot.
Unless it may get stormy soon or something.
Yeah, maybe.
See a beautiful blue sky everywhere.
Yeah. We haven't seen rain in a very long time.
No.
Like months. I am kind of excited for rain. Like, I'm definitely an autumn and winter person, and I think it will be hard in the van, especially if it's raining days on end and we're kind of stuck in it. But I think it's just gonna be so cozy, right? Like with our fairy lights and blankets and watching Christmas movies. I'm so excited. And for snow, it's gonna be a good winter. But for now, we are taking complete advantage of the last weeks of summer and enjoying Greece.
So I've just been cleaning up, did some washing, and now we're going to go over another swim.
Morning everyone, we're just getting ready to leave the campsite. We've had showers, we're all clean, washed my hair, feels so nice, and now we're just packing up the van, doing dishes and putting everything away, and then we're gonna empty and fill up with water and whatnot and then be on our way. It was such a nice day here. We were gonna stay 1 night, ended up staying 2. We had such a relaxing time, and hanging out by the pool was so lovely. And yeah, so we're just packing up and we're gonna leave. And then we're off to see Delphi, which will be a vlog on its own. We'll do a vlog while we're there. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed kind of seeing what we got up to at this campsite, and we had a really nice time. Bye!